What's up guys? Steve here with Speed Kings. Today we're gonna take a look at this badass black hinged ignition switch. We're gonna go ahead and install this bad boy, show you how it's done. We're gonna make this a two-part series. We're gonna first install this ignition switch right here, and then we're gonna release a video of us installing the neck lock. So we sell this as a kit with a neck lock and the keys that match both, or just the ignition switch by itself. So that's up to you. We're gonna change it out on this bike right behind us right here because as you can see, we've blacked a lot of stuff out on it, and this chrome ignition switch you can still see is kind of an eyesore. It's just a purely aesthetic upgrade. It's a nice plug and play upgrade. Very simple install on the switch itself. The lock will be a little bit more in depth. We're gonna have to drop the front end and we'll go through that in that video. On this install, we're putting this on a 2014 Dyna. For your bike and to verify fitment, check the website. It's got all the models and makes that this will fit for you. So we're gonna start this off by just removing the seat. We're gonna go ahead and remove the screws in this dash, starting here, here, and here. Under here, you can see that you have a few plugs. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the plugs and move the dash to a secure location and do the work off the bike. Just be very careful with the plug-ins because they are plastic and you don't want to snap like an arm off or something like that where you aren't able to use it. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove these 4 bolts right here. Set that aside for a moment. We're gonna go ahead and just pop this ignition right out. We're gonna go ahead and put our new, nice, shiny, black ignition in its same location. As you can see right here and here, these 2 pegs right here will mount in the holes right there. And you just kind of take them and pop them into place a little bit. Now we'll take our retaining plate and put it right back into place and feed our screws back in. Now I'm just gonna kind of give these a little final tighten, just snug them up. And there we have it. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this back on the bike. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plug all of our plugs back in. We'll start with our indicator gauges. Just be nice and gentle with everything because this is all kind of somewhat fragile. Most of the shit underneath here is made of plastic. Cool, now that all our plugs are back into place, we'll go ahead and place our dash back in its location. Now we have our nice, shiny, black ignition switch that is used with our new keys. So it's used exactly the same way. It's just a direct replacement, but we can lock it out like that. Not turnable. Unlock it, and boom. That wraps it up. Nice, quick, easy install. Now, some model bikes may be different as far as the dash goes, but the installation of the switch is gonna be fairly the same. Make sure you check fitment on our website before purchasing, and you can find one of these bad boys at speed-kingcycle.com.